Hi everyone, welcome to this video on my channel. My name is TJ and today I'm going to talk about two apps that are useful for e-commerce and dropshipping. So stay till the end of this video to find out which app is better. Beforehand, I have to say thanks to all the followers and active subscribers. The channel just hit 1,000 subscribers the other day, which makes me so happy, and I hope you enjoy these videos and you will continue to watch them in the future. But let's go back to the main topic of this video. So I have been in dropshipping since the beginning of the year, and I have seen and tried numerous apps to improve my business. What I'm always looking for in the website is the user-friendly experience, something that welcomes newbies in the business and without a lot of money on hand, and the ability to source from the US. So if you're in dropshipping business or you're just starting, then you want your customers to get packages in time, and shipping from China usually takes forever. So that is why I'm trying to find sites that can help me find US suppliers. And of course, the app can be too expensive. So the first app that I tried is called Zendrop. Zendrop was previously called Silk Road, I believe. So it's all-in-one dropshipping plugin. So once you have connected your store, you can easily start importing products from their list of US suppliers. And then you can start selling and have the orders fulfilled for you with one click, or have the plugin do it automatically. It's that simple. So they also offer a great dashboard to track your sales and shipment, and the app is free to start, and you can get faster shipping, access to US suppliers, custom packaging, private labeling, and so on. So this is the Zendrop dashboard, and it's pretty simple. As you can see here, you will see your orders on the right hand side, and you would just click fulfill the order. What first attracted me to Zendrop is this claim that they offer the list of US suppliers. However, if I go to find products, and if I click on made in the USA, I can see there are only few suppliers and there are not a lot of products to choose from. So as you can, if I scroll all the way at the bottom, you will see there are only 3 pages of the products. So this was pretty disappointing because there are only few suppliers and they only offer t-shirts. So pretty much the offer from the US side is very bleak. So then I thought, okay, if I pay for the premium service, I can get faster shipping from China, but I was wrong again. None of the products had that option, and shipping again took between 15 to 30 days, which was a lot. So I canceled that service after a month, and I'm back to free plan. So if you're just starting, then you can check out the app for free and see if you like it or not. But Zendrop is something that won't work for me. So basically, if you click on find products, if you click, for example, shop trends, you can see if you click on the product, there's a description, who is the supplier, and how long is this shipping, and what's the cost for shipping. And you would just click add to import list, and you can import that to your Shopify or any other store that you have. Overall, this app is really easy to use, and it's good that there's a free plan, and it's very easy to import product description and photos in your online store. The only flaw is the lack of US suppliers. Let's go to the second app that I tried. It's called Spocket. So basically it works the same as Zendrop. It allows you to choose the best products to sell from thousands of dropshipping suppliers all over the world. It also offers automatic fulfillment with just one click, and Spocket is synced with your online store, and all orders automatically appears in your app. So you can also get branded invoicing, and the overall the importing of products is very simple. I'll show you how just in a second. So this is Spocket dashboard, and you can see here there are thousands of products from which you can choose from. And there also at the top, you have a lot of filters, and you can sort the products by relevance, by the price, the shipping time, and also you can choose the products that are all specifically made in the US, and you can sort the products by the inventory levels. Spocket beats Zendrop in this aspect because it has many more US suppliers. So if I click on select ships from United States and ships to United States, Spocket will automatically pick all the US suppliers for me. And as you can see here, there's a variety of products and the greater number of suppliers. And another thing that distinguishes Spocket from Zendrop is that you don't have to only ship from the US, you can also ship from China, but they also offer EU suppliers. So basically, the shipping will be, again, much simpler and faster if you're shipping from Europe and if you're shipping compared to shipping from China. So if you are in search for faster shipping, then Spocket is definitely better. If you don't care about that, and if you want specific products from China, you can always go to AliExpress and import any products to Spocket with just one click. Spocket has this Chrome extension. So basically, if you sign up and if you browse through AliExpress, you would just click on Spocket logo and you would import that same product to your Shopify store, which is pretty cool. It's a pretty cool extension. But as I said, I like the thing that Spocket has is the US suppliers, and you can immediately see their shipping rates and shipping time. So if I click on this product, you would see there's a product description that you can use when you list this product in your Shopify store or any other store. You will see the processing time, the shipping time. These guys charge for shipping, but there are a lot of US suppliers that have free shipping option. And another cool thing is that you will see with Spocket is that you can always order samples. So basically this means that the product will come to your address and you can test it out, see if it's any good. And you can always, you never know, you can always make a product review, post that on YouTube, and maybe increase your sales in that way. Signing up with Spocket is free, but you won't be able to bookmark or import products to your store unless you pay. You can only browse products with a free plan. They have few plans, and they offer monthly and annual subscriptions. And I'm currently on a starter plan, which costs $19 per month. But the only flaw with this plan is that you can choose premium products. So in Spocket, so if I go back, and as you can see here, this product has a premium sticker on it. So premium products in Spocket are those products where you can get better discounts and faster shipping. So there are some of the products on Spocket are very popular, and most of them are premium. So I can't import that to my store, which kind of sucks, but everything else is pretty awesome. So my final verdict. I would say this Spocket gives you better options and access to a greater pool of US and EU suppliers with faster shipping. Compared to Zendrop, Zendrop is not really good in that area. However, Zendrop is better when it comes to pricing. As I said, there's a free plan option. You get only 50 orders per month. And even when you pay for a pro version, it's still going to be cheaper than Spocket. If you prefer China warehouse and cheap app, then Zendrop is the right app for you. But if you're looking for some quality products, then I would say that Spocket is definitely better. So let me know in the comment section if you're using any of these apps or if you tried any of these in the past. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to the channel by clicking that subscribe button below. Take care.